Hello everyone, it's Candy here. Today I'm sharing my cards that I have made for the November Craft Our Paper Stash collab. We share our projects on the 15th of each month, and I've made 18 cards in total. And out of my stash I got, it's a, I'll get it in focus, it's a kit that I bought from Natalie May Scrapbooking. She's in Adelaide, and she sent, and in the kit you receive not only like the instructions, well it's picture form instructions, you get 12 card bases, 12 by 12 pattern paper, you get lace doilies, but all you got to add is your foam tape, your double-sided tape, your glues, you know, just your ordinary things that you have at home. So I've made, as I said, 18 cards, so I've used up all the little bits of scraps and everything. So here are my cards. This is the first one, happy birthday. I've added, this is the background piece, I've gone around the edge and distressed it. It's flat on the card base. This piece is on white and it's raised up. Then I've just, with Dimensional Magic, I've gone over the cake. I've added 3 little flowers, and the happy birthday banner is raised up with foam tape. My next one is happy birthday. It's a very flat card. This picture was in the background of one of the 12 by 12s, and I've just cut it so I could use it on my base. I've used Dimensional Magic on all the flowers to make it stand out. There's a strip of paper here that I've matted on white, and then I've just glued the happy birthday on the top of that. My next one is wishing you an amazing birthday. Once again, this is flat on my card base. This is on white cardstock and raised. Dimensional Magic on the balloons, 7 little flowers, and I've gone around the edges just with some black pen because it looked very flat. It just needed something to bring it out. Here again I've done the same thing with the black pen just to make it pop a little. So this piece is flat. The white doily I've cut in half and just slid it in under here. This piece is flat, this is raised. The Have an Amazing Day is raised. I've got 5 little flowers, and on the Ferris wheel I've just put some Dimensional Magic to make it stand out. My next one is Thanks for Being My Friend, and once again this was a piece in the 12 by 12 cardstock, so I've just cut it out. The balloons I've just used Dimensional Magic. On the happy birthday banner it's Dimensional Magic as well. 2 little flowers there, and this piece of paper here is matted on white and just glued on flat. My next one is happy birthday. Once again I've gone around the edges with the edge distresser and distressed it all. This is flat, and it's matted on white, which is raised up. Half a doily, white doily, happy birthday banner is raised. 3 flowers and some leaves, and the Ferris wheel, which you can see it, I've just gone around with some Dimensional Magic to make it stand out. My next one is, this piece is flat, this is flat on the white, and the white's flat on the base. I've cut a white doily in half and put half at each end, and I've just used Dimensional Magic and some flowers again on the card. My next one, this is just plain. This is flat on the white, and the white's raised up. Once again, Dimensional Magic, a few flowers. This next one here, this is flat. The white's flat on the card, but this piece here is raised up. I've used Dimensional Magic on the umbrella and on the front of the bike. Half a white doily under here, and the black pen around the edge again. So this one here is a bit bulky, got a bit big flowers on it. But this piece is flat, this piece is raised, the white doily is tucked up under here. The happy birthday is, I've just got a piece of foam there, but it's just to stop it from sort of bending. 3 flowers, and then once again I've got the Dimensional Magic and the little banner as well. Okay, my next one is a happy birthday card. They're all flat. I've gone around the edges once again with the black pen. Dimensional Magic, flowers, and a butterfly from my stash. My My next one is Have a Beautiful Birthday. This is raised. Got my 5 flowers, my Dimensional Magic on the ribbon. Have a Beautiful is raised up. Okay, my next one, I've only got a few left, not many, as I said, I made quite a few with these. Once again, this piece is flat. It was a background piece of the 12 by 12. On the balloons, I've just used the Dimensional Magic. Wishing for All That is raised up, and I've just got some flowers and a lovely little resin heart. This one here, once again, is flat. This is flat. Half a doily, Sending You Love is raised up. The Dimensional Magic on the balloons and 5 little flowers, and that's just little dobs of Dimensional Magic on the top. My next one is on the Ferris wheel. The white is flat. Have a Beautiful Day is raised up. This piece is flat. A couple of flowers, Dimensional Magic, and a half of white doily under the side. Okay, the next one is this is another piece of the pattern paper. I've put a strip, and actually I tell a lie, it is 2 pieces that I've joined together. I've put a strip over the top. This piece here I've matted on white, and then I've stamped out Have an Amazing Day, and it's flat, and then I've just placed all the flowers over there and just used Dimensional Magic on these pieces. Okay, I'm nearly there. And this one is the same. It's a background piece of 12 by 12. Just use Dimensional Magic just to make things stand out. A few flowers, and thanks for being my friend. And this is the lucky last. This is another panel that was on the 12 by 12 card pattern paper. Once again, I've just used Dimensional Magic, some flowers. Thank goodness for Dimensional Magic. We can do wonders with it. And Have a Beautiful is stood up. Okay then, that's all I've done for you today. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Stay safe, happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.